Hello, today we will guide you through how to change time on Sierra Chart. In this walkthrough, we'll update the platform's time zone so your charts, quotes, and order timestamps align with the clock you actually work from. Getting this right prevents confusion when comparing trades, backtesting, or following specific market sessions, and it helps ensure that opening and closing times display as you expect. Begin by opening the Sierra Chart desktop application and let it load completely. Give it a moment to initialize your data and reconnect to any services so the settings you change will reflect accurately across open charts. Next, look to the top of the platform window for the classic menu bar and select Global Settings. This is the central place where Sierra Chart controls platform-wide behavior. Using global settings means you won't have to adjust time on each individual chart or study later, which keeps your workspace consistent. Within Global Settings, choose Timezone Settings. This panel controls how Sierra Chart translates all incoming and historical timestamps. It does not change your computer's clock. Instead, it tells the platform which offset to use when it labels bars, the timescale along the bottom of charts, and any time-based alerts or studies. Keeping it set correctly is especially important if you monitor markets in a different region than where you're located. Now, select your preferred time zone from the list. Pick the city or GMT offset that matches where you trade from, or, if you prefer to view the market in exchange time, select the time zone for that exchange's location. Sierra Chart handles daylight saving time automatically for most regions, so you don't need to manually toggle it each season. If you're unsure, compare the current local time shown in your operating system with the example or offset in the list to confirm you've chosen the right one. After selecting the time zone, click Apply All. This ensures the change is pushed across the entire platform, updating all open charts, chart books, and related tools at once. You should see the time scale along the bottom of your charts and the time shown in headers update immediately. No historical data is altered, only the display adjusts to reflect your chosen zone. That's it. Open Sierra Chart, go to Global Settings, open Time Zone Settings, choose the appropriate time zone, and confirm with Apply All. With this set, your analysis, alerts, and session times will align cleanly with your workflow, whether you're trading locally or following markets halfway around the world.